twacoka mwena wa Maragwa ndina Kennedy Kinuthia ni anyitireire. We have Kenya Youth Association Maragwa chapter wamenishikilia kabisa. And okay, kuna organizations mingi they chip in when I do that. When I post a post, I want to do an event, ogakora organization nisila chip in, and I thank God for that. Tondå ndewika digitoria
niguo kioneki kiumira kairetu-ini gaka
kairetu-ini kau kamwe ndakorire mwana ucio ni atirire thukuru class 8 and ngimuria niki akijira ni kuhana ngimwira it's very okay ni ndarutire mbeca ngimune agithia kigora sanitary but ndainuka ni ndarigirwo muno uria gwika this aspirant ndakwira ni mundurume so ndiamenyaga reply yake gukorwo iriku ndamu approach ndimwire uria ndireciria but I thank God ndamwira he was so alinisaidia sana yeah.
Haya, asante sana. Thank you muno Faith Wanjiku ni wetu uko tukiunanira njungwa rucini rwa muthe ikerekaine ria muthia twari yoro wingi girl child na aya ni aria maracoka thukuru muthenya wa umuthe ira ni kurera maracokire so wiki eno ni ya mihango ya gucoka thukuru ndigwa next week na kwa arutwo a university magicoke hinda riri ciana irakire micii ni njukuri research ya kubikite ni urona economy ri kihana ndiageria ku imagine riu ni cukuru maracoka so I'm trying to imagine kana hihi ni othe magukorwo na kanya kau gagukorwo o mundu ati thiini wa shopping yake ni akorwo kiheo sanitary towels
mostly ishagini in the rural areas kwena thina muingi muno ona acio maracoka thukuru muthe ni gukora hena matanacoka tondu period yo marari muciri mwiretu ni akorwo akon menstruation ni ararigwo gwira shosho witu ati and no shosho they believe how I believe in sanitary they believe in those old clothes, old blankets, old mattresses, but they don't believe in sanitary. So akariwo gwikatia mtu akiwa ametumia old mattress haizi kaa kwa class for it ndagikoe na comfortability ya gukara kirathi so ugakora mwana ucio ni athie ni ahenio nako na tondu we na bata tu na 50 ma anapewa in exchange of some bad things ukakora mwana ucio ni ngimate gucoka thukuru maybe alipata ball yeah
dina kiuria na giki ni ndiyuragia na ni wega runguria tondu ndacemania na the right person wa gukorwo ngiuria kiuria giki ndathi une kanjiriga guthie ni thibitari iho ndikumigweta na ndirauga ni uru gwikaga uguo no ndathi thibitari ni no ri ni ndakorire condoms protections cikiritwo handu dispenser-ini ikiheanwo for free na ndirauga ni uru ona ni mekaga wega ona ni mongerere kuria maheanaga na kuria cigagwo niheanagwo ni wega tukirwa ringi na murimu but in some extent ni ukunjira woni waku no ngiyuria atiriri by the way recently ikoni tu sanitary twikiritwo hau ri sanitary ito ndio nironania need na twina tajira woni waku ni uriku no ni
I've been advocating for that wacha wanaume wauziwe condoms wasipewe wacha tusichana tu wa shule wapewe. Not only wasichana wa shule, unapata single mothers pia wanakosa that 50 bob. Ni mwana kugurira iria na mpaka na ni sanitary. Aka prefer kwa kugurira mwana. So in my initiative etagwo Feishi initiative, I'll advocate for free sanitary towels and condoms to be sold. Yeah, Feishi initiative. Yeah, it's my initiative. Yeah. I'll advocate for free sanitary towels. And that's what we do. We advocate for free sanitary towels. Wacha condoms ziuzwe. Yeah.
Ndakoni weke dispense okinene.
Kinene
kakoya comfortably.
I would feel good. Ngiona ne kairetu magathi hau koya sanitary. Kainuka. Rucio ni gakaro ka thukuru wega. Yeah.
Haya, gukora topic ino ri maita maria maingi ni koragwo ri tikona ni hindi thikũ ici tura open up ugakorwo na gukinyira andu taya hakoragwo hari thina riu kau ni kaire tugokire kioneki gya ndaigwa gya ciarirwo ni kaire tugokire gai kuhe karugano gake no ni igana me hau matare yaria
ningi ni wengi sana alafu gone are the days riria utangiatumire muthuri sanitary kuria gicagi twina bara nditu ya athuri metikire the same way boys go through circumcision it's the same way a girl starts menstruating. Kwa boy, that's from a boy to a man. Kwa mwanamke, menstruating is from a girl to a woman. So I guess the same way to celebrate mwanake agethi through circumcision, we should do that to our girls. They should be happy. Hawafai kuwa ashamed cause mtu ana menstruate hapana.
Twahirwo muthenya wa world.
Yeah, I had an event still in Murang'a. Yeah, in a church. Inakwanga 28th May.
Oh, inakwanga May.
Yeah, 28th May. Yeah.
Riu muthenya ucio tubati gwika atia? For example, tondu riu masuja ndi tugikunguragira masuja.
So, me what I did on the 28th May, I gathered both boys and girls. Boys nitwa maheire boxers, but presence yao kuria ri twenda tumathomithie. Tita tene tugithoma ugerio thukie nguo hanini uguo ma anake othe ni maguthekerera niguo gone are the days mwanake ucio riu turamathomithia eta muiretu ucio umeharibu nguo. Yeah,
wow, na nitukinyite hau.
Yeah, at least I'm seeing some changes. Yeah,
magatu support.
Yeah, maga support mwana wa muiretu tiko muthekerera because the moment athekerera mwana ucio ri ona rucio kakirathire agakorwo Kamau ni aranyonire Kamau
self-esteem na ndaigua riu wikaga kuria rurals.
Yeah, I do rurals. Yeah,
na kunikuo thina uri riu
kunikuo thina uri as per now I have a girl I adopted still from Kandara. Mwana ucio ndathire thukuru wetagwo Kandara-thini, let's say that. Ndathie kuu ri ni ndathire the day before njikite my event. Ndathie kuu ni ndoririe mwarimu ciana cia guku ihana ati akinjira ciana cia guku ri guku nikuo thina ukiriria na ni aheire mwana umwe akinjira mwana unyina ni akuire na ari atigeirwo matimwendaga. So we talked, mwana ucio akinjira ginya sanitary kuona ni thina atiraga
from secondary.
Yeah, ko form 3. Mwana ucio thukuru ni atiraga cause hana solution. Mundu uria we hau ni shosho wao na ndaiguaga wega. Riu mundu uria ngeria nake ri ni anko yake but ataki kumsikia na ndangimuthikiriria. Ona he muthenya mwiri anko ni akijani thank God the area MP ni aragathomithio wega.
Okay. Yeah. Koguo ni gagukoga thina mbere na mathomo.
Ni gagukoga thina mbere na mathomo.
Na riu tondu o undu ndukiaga kinya options ni na nitona sanitary ici irathi kiongagirirwo thogora o uria cukari irathi na ni ta basic needs icio the iragikona goro. Ngarigo is it a high time to other other options rigi?
I don't know what to say, but for real, urakora sanitary mwe, by then sanitary na wholesale ciaguragwo 30 bob. Sai nikienda kudonate ninunua na wholesale 50 bob. Huko sanitary yagikinya dukaini wakora ni 70 bob. Shosho ria wikuria gicagima ni kuhota kugurira mwana. Ataweza. Yeah.
Hari murata ndwari nake wanjiraga ndi magwitwa atia mainitiate horo wa gukorwo na washable sanitaries.
Yeah,
no undu ucio naguo ningi hygiene
kundu kwina flow ya mai. Tari icagi-ini icio ri mundu arigira mai mbali sana kundu kuraihu muno. No ndego aguthia mianike yume wonekere. So na hygienically I don't need that.
Niguo disposal yacio nayo tondu no thina ngina gukoretwo kwa
disposal in rural areas iko sawa juu kuna pit latrines. In towns ndio imekuwa shida. Yeah, unaenda tu kwa barabara unapata. By the way, I'm so good. Mimi siwezi pata nayo kwa barabara niache. I'll take a stick na nitupe na huko. Yeah. Ungesamania nayo? Yeah. Nitachukua mti tu na nirushe huko.
Okay. Haya, asante sana. Riu nituthi horo wigie feishi wogo koretwo githie mathukuru-ini. Ukinyagirwo na njira iriku nigetha ciana ici ukorwo ukimarora na njira iria igwete. Ni Murang'a County ni restricted mundu we Nyeri no akwa approach yani
of late I've been in Murang'a.
No twire nigetha tumione kuria mena niko tungikufollow.
I'm on Facebook. Yeah. So of late nimekuwa digoretwa de Murang'a County.
Okay.
No, kitu 2 weeks ago I received a call from Kisumu. They want me to visit their girls there. So siko as in digoretwa they restricted go call de Murang'a. I can go far. On the 30th of September niko gaka my first anniversary.
On
30th September. Niko gaka my first anniversary na ngamekira mwena wa Kagondo-ini primary Kandara. I'll be hosting 4 schools there. Riu kauga gakoge kahinda ga kuhe ciana citu cia sanitary aria mareka igeranio cia national. So nega donate sanitary mwena wa Kagondo-ini primary. On Facebook mnaweza nipata Feishi Mbogwa na pia kuna Feishi Initiative. still on phone. Is it okay if I give up the number?
No heane no tutigike tukiyokora ihu no heane hatire thina. Yes,
so for my number to reach me out, if you want to accompany me, if you can give mentorship to our girls, you can reach out to me 0796 400 219.
Okay,
that's my number.
Asante sana. Ni ndugiaga challenges ukoretwo gicemania nacio ringi wira-ini toyo no ucihutie nigetha tuone nigetha unoteithie mundu wi hau ringi wigua gwika wega toguo wikite itondu ucio ni noble work ugureka gutungatira muingi na guteithiriria twiretu tunini no ringi agacemania na mihinga teyo riu no tutaririe ni mathina ta mariki.
Challenges ni mingi because for once kwenda kuambia watu wakupe sanitary unapeleka mahali ni waonaga andu makiuria hai so mundu othe akona like you after pesa ciake. So ungikona mundu gukuhe sanitary ni ukora you will even use your own money.
Ni sanitary kane bia
sanitary towels.
Okay.
Unapata yes I use my till wakati mwingine for those wenye wako mbali but wana feel hapana we should not do this. Pia mtu kukupea sanitary inakuwa ngumu. Still ukienda kwa hizo shule unapata oriora expecta gukora unapata more it's worse and you'll be like what will I do, what will I help, nitafanya nini? But anyone who is into charity akona challenges na until you comfort yourself usiwache hizo challenges zikuchukue. Unapata watu wanapigana nayo. Sai if you want to visit a school you must visit the sub-county director of education makohe marua. So unaweza pata mtu ame give up sitaenda. But if you want to do charity you will do all that. Utatumia hizo steps. No ginyo marua maguthie thukuru. You can't go just into a school.
Na ma-approve ago no mau.
The sub-county director of education. So if you're going to Kandara, they the sub-county director huko Maragwa.
Okay. Each county ugathi each constituency. Ugakorwo ugithi ukaheo marua.
Ukaheo marua maguthie thukuru. Cause ni urakora kwina andu marathie thukuru for other purposes.
Okay. Haha hariri challenges turi hau ri. Tari uguo reka uguo ri. Ndu cemanagia na bara ringi andu kuona ni giti fulani urenda.
Exactly. Cause the time I started this initiative, I've told you I consulted Kennedy Kinuthia. So everyone was like, niye natafutia kura. And I was like, no, me I'm into charity and that's me. Ugakora ni urahurwo bara pio. Tari nikienda Kandara, I did what I did. Then all of a sudden nikaona watu wa opposition wameanza kufanya because they want to fight the MP who was supporting me. So nikoretwo ibara dito. Everyone, okay, my sister was vying. So pia they were saying apana if it's not KK it's her sister anatafutia kura. But to me ilikuwa it's charity and it's charity.
Niki gigatuma riu uthio na mbere wage guthikiria twaingi makuagira hau. Nindi murata wateithagia muno andu ari makoragwo macokire na thutha we akona ni ari mbere andu mathomaga nao na ukona ni ahurwo bara muno na hau niho atigeire wira ucio.
Let's say it's God. Todorani ni ndakuite ngoro pio kwanza wakati ilianza kuingia into politics wameanza kushikanisha na politics ni ndakuite ngoro pio because ni ndina ngoro ya guteithia no maroga I'm into politics. I was so down. Kirigori what will happen. But the same Ken aliniambia hapana. So you want to help? Wacha kukufa roho.
Okay. Haya, kogo no ugererie mundu we hau renda gukora gitungatira mundu.
Don't listen. Cause wewe uko na roho ya kusaidia, wacha kusikiza venye watu wanasema. Leave them behind. Wewe mahali unaenda, there is that girl utaguza. And every time akiomba atasema akikumbuka Faishi, kumbuka fulani alinisaidia. Wachana na wenye wakuma wanaongea.
Okay. Ugire thengia wa gukora ugeteithia community ni uri ona maundu makuwekaga.
I'm a business lady.
Wekaga atia?
Okay, dutaga wira wa sales. I do sales kwa these big hotels. I do sales of the cereals there.
Wendagia bebe, boco, icio ciothe. No ka balance atia riu mawira maya?
Okay.
Because
it's self-employment. Sidhani iko it's self-employed. I'm self-employed.
So most of the time mathaa maku makoragwo ku?
Niko kwa kazi but still I have for example when you organize that year 3 I make sure what I do nishafanya before. So on that day I have nothing in itanipinga. Yeah.
Okay.
So I balance family, I balance business, and I balance my initiative.
No, wina kinya family.
Yeah.
Wow, na nimagu supportaga thini wori oreka?
Yeah, sana. Yeah.
Okay, asante sana. Hivi tuelekea na kigiaku kuita fish ya girl child.
What I'll say, ohoro wa girl child. Okay, watu wengi wamekuwa wakisema I'm doing this because I want a political seat, but not for now. Mundu no ende gutongoria, but for now let me do charity. Yeah, nione kila mtoto wako shule. Of late, if you can tell, ciana cia tuhere wathi ma university popularity ya mwana wa kahina ya kairetu ya mwana wa kahe iguru. Ciana citu cia tuiretu cia tigirwo gicagi. Cikegea ciana cigetiga thukuru, moiretu ni orire kwao, but mwana wa kahe urakora. That's what I'll be happy. Riria gona our girls wako university, na ambiwa the next Marago MP, it's a lady, but I'll be happy. That is why it's a lady from my constituency. The same as Kandara. Mwana wa kairetu ni atigetwo na thutha ke mathomo. And the challenges mwana wa kairetu itumaga atige thukuru, one of it is lack of sanitary towels. Na ndio maana we are saying we ending period poverty, period stigma, and period shame. Yeah.
Ndirona watiganirio kana gakairetu tondu wathi mwana wa boy child
ona marauga ni matiganirio, but mwana wa kairetu is now that is niguo mwana wa kairetu oetwo wega. But before, let's say 4 years ago, mwana wa kairetu ni aratiganirio muno. At least per now you can tell mwana wa kairetu that is na support aingi muno. If you can check on social media. But before then, awakua.
No kahitiko gatiganirio in the real sense. Tondu na kirona thaici kuraria ni gucoka kuracokwo thukuru ri. Tathiurure gikabu kiao o mundu kiria aracokia thukuru kona uyu ni endikithireirio. Nderagwo maguta ma kairetu ni matatu, kama njuiri ma moko anga mothio na maguru. No kahi
magakagoreirwo maguta ma gukamana ni uguo.
Kona riu gatire okay. Hakinya ni haria kinya parenting tondu gutie wanda na wa mugongo ini.
But it's true as pana riu haria turi sijui how it's going before mwana kahino orari mwana kaitino orari mutiganiri because if you can recall mwana kaire tutene fiu niwe wa watho wa mwana kahino we wathomithagio mukaigwa ciari mera mwana muiritu we ni ukuhika mwana kaheaga thomithio. But now mambo imechange, naona sasa watu wamekuwa kwa girl child sana, though bado hatujasahau boy child. I have a certain initiative ni support inaitwa Murang'a Youth Leaders Association. They are into boys and I like that. Yeah.
Meka gatia Murang'a Youth
Leaders Association. The chair is Peter Wanyeke. Makoragwo okay, they are youths within Murang'a who are helping the boy child. Unapata the last event we did boxers mafuta yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Ugedi netogera ciana igicoka thukuru muthenya wa muthenya maracoka. Atari ukoragwo kimariria aya me secondary aya me primary.
Mkienda shule I guess mwende msome. Self esteem yako isiwe chini juu ya certain mostly when you wako boarding unapata kuna watu wako from the rich family, the others are from the poor family. Ugakoraga self esteem ya mwana wa poor family ina go down. Tondu ni akirora kirio yungi okire nakio. That is that. Mwe hau murehetwo ni githomo one thing so many. Iyo maisha itakuja later. Yeah, so many.
Relationship gatagati ka riu thaici kuna transition ciana ciramenyeranite na aciari riu ni macoka kuria kuthie kuri arimu ngo mari ruguru arimu.
Yeah, inakwanga hard time I guess anawe ugithoma wacoka thukuru wiki ya mbere no ageana homesick. I guess it's part of it na inakuanga
ona ndio go homesick ndira ugariri transition iyo mwana riu aramenyerete ni athire riu ari ruguru wa watho na routine kuria cukuru-ini.
It's all about adopting. Yeah, adoption yenye alikuwa as in alikuwa I can do anything, I can play around. Daishi ya watho inene thukuru. It goes with time. Kuna time ya hii na kuna time ya hii. Yeah.
Okay. Sawa sawa. Lakini guthoma ndumiriri ciganona na tukiri na Faith Wanjiku wauga rugamirire
Faith initiative.
Wamebiririe ri Faith initiative
last year 28th of September. Yeah.
Na mkoretwo mukiana sanitary.
Yeah.
Okay, asante sana. Leo ngugeithia ni Nick Mutito na arĩ mĩtambo-inĩ nĩ wĩra mwega mũno ũraruta wa gũtungatĩra mũingĩ. Keep it up. Na harĩ mũndũ ũngĩenda kũmenya kana hihi nĩ mũrutithanagia wĩra na honge citiganĩte citarĩ cia gĩthirikari oro hamwe na cia thirikari.
Okay, cia thirikari as per now no, but cia thirikari yes. Yeah.
Haya, asante sana. Kĩoneki gĩaku nĩ kĩrĩkũ? Nĩwe mũndũ wothe nĩ akĩrĩ mission?
I sikuacha kuongea kuhusu that because I'll be told I'm trying to get into a certain political seat. But for now,
so mũndũ wothe nĩ arĩ kĩoneki.
But for now, it might be not the next 5 years, but maybe the next 10 years. Ndingĩthora gũtongoria andũ a wodi itũ. But for now, I'm into the girl child. Rĩrĩa mwana wothe wa kairĩtu akwa agĩthoma, I'll be happy. Yeah.
Ona ndeuga in terms of mũirĩtu, ona ti ũhoro wa ũteti kana ũtongoria, kĩoneki gĩkĩ gĩa feici urenda gĩkinye ha?
I want rĩrĩa ngakora atĩ nĩ ndĩrathiĩ thukuru, okay, my prayer, the feici, ikiwa feici yenyewe, nĩ gũkorwo every school in my constituency, kuna girl pad bank, yeah, atĩ mwana wa kairĩtu no athiĩ arute padi hau. That is my vision. Nataka ati thukuru wothe ũgwĩtwo wĩ Kandara kana wĩ Maragwa, ati mwana wa kairĩtu the same thing orauga no athiĩ ũgakora condoms, mwana wa kairĩtu nĩ arathiĩ thukuru-inĩ administration block akaruta padi anaenda anatumia. Yeah.
Sawa sawa, thank you muno. Boy child nimauga mwena Murang'a Youth Leaders Association acio no mwekaga atĩa?
Maruta wĩra wa boy child. They are into boy child. Wanaenda mentorship, wanawasomesha. Yeah, unajua pia boys wamekuwa into drugs.
Yes.
Na
pia girls, even girls wako into drugs.
Okay, for the cases za boys zimekuwa mingi, yeah, kuna girls wako into drugs, but the boys are more. Yeah. So with Murang'a Youth Leaders and the Kenya Youth Association, Maragwa sub-county, they are doing that. Mentorship for the boys. Tondũ rĩu nayo boys, icera rĩrĩ rĩa twana twa tũhĩ nĩ rĩrathũkia mũno. Yeah. Tamara Murang'a, I guess you hearing, mwena wa Murang'a marijuana imekuwa juu sana. So with these young leaders, I guess nĩ tũrathiĩ tukiaragĩria ciana. And inakuja ikiishaisha. Na unapata vijana wanaitikia kusoma. There is another group, in dancing group. Unapata vijana engage into dancing, into playing balls. At least with that, nĩ maratiga johi, fagi. Yeah. Na kitu ingine sijui inaitwa Chavis. Kitu kai.
Na
kuber, exactly. That's all the word.
Meramekeraga haho.
Yeah. That's the word. So with that, unaona wako na activities wanafanya. So with those activities, I guess wana direct their minds into those activities, wanaondoka kwa drugs. Yeah.
Rĩu ũngĩ advocate atĩa tondũ nĩ kĩoneki kĩa mũnini wa mũtongoria kũnina drugs, ndiũka nĩ mũkĩaragĩria tũirĩtu ona tuo twambagĩrĩria tũrĩ o tũnini kũhũthĩra ndawa ici cia kũrebia. Thutha nĩ ũhoro wĩgiĩ sanitary towels gũkorwo mũkĩmahe kinyagia mataro.
I guess I believe for me on my girl child side, we're doing a lot as my team, tuko team kubwa. So for the Murang'a Youth Leaders, with the youths, mutongoria wa bũrũri as in Rigiji anaweza shindwa sana kufika huko ndani, but with our youths nĩ tũkũhota gũkinyĩra ciana iria, and we talk to them, waache ku engage in bad activities. At least mwana ona nĩ ara engage into football, mathaka, there is an award, there is something they will be appreciated with, they will divert their minds. Yeah. Mwana ti kũhũrwo. Nĩ kwarĩrio. Agĩcokagio na mũciĩ. Tondũ the moment ũgũthiĩ mũkũme no mũhũre. Nĩ mwagano. Mwana ũcio ndakahota gũkũhingũkĩra ngoro. Kwĩre this and that. Atapotea tu. But sasa with these youths, nĩ mũyuthi matoaine, nĩoka thukuru kwao, nĩambia kũmũtara. So at least watakuwa close. Like for now, thukuru icio ciothe njerete. Ciana cia tũirĩtu iria cioire namba yakwa, they call me. Fei utatembea lini tena, I'll come. Fei utakuja lini tena, naambia tu I'll come back.
Haya, asante sana. Na tũgĩthiĩ na mbere na tũkĩria kũrekereria ndereti ĩno. Nĩ kũrĩ na ũhoro wĩgiĩ ũhũthĩri wa ndawa cia kũrebia, ũcio nĩ twahutia amongst tũirĩtu tũtũ tũnini, na nĩ kũrĩ na mathĩna makĩrĩ namo nĩ maraingĩra into sexual activities makĩrĩ o anini. Ndiũka nĩ makũhingũkagĩra magagĩkwĩra gĩtũmi nĩ kĩĩ?
Yeah, I faced those problems mostly na ciana citu. Ũgakora not only sanitary, mwana wa kairĩtu nĩ arenda thurua rĩa thĩinĩ, ni arenda something else so ugakora anaenda into activities zenye hazifai okora mwana akairitu ni arahenio ni tumwana just ndio apewe 100 na akona igana ri ni riega ni nguthii kureta rijeru they engaging in okay what we do aciari ni maraga kuhingukira ciana ciao muno wina mwana teenager hau akairitu but muikarite o I guess haria tukinyete mwana muciari wa mutumia na muiritu wake teenager wanafaa kukaa kama sisters maranirie mahigukanire ngoro nigetha mwana uyo akaugaga mami ndire kina hena ciana taru ni nderetwo ni single father mwahigukanira na baba wanyu utaogopa kuenda na uko nje utapata baba kumwambia dad I need this ni mtoto wake hizi kunyima but the moment aciarimonia ciana wakue hash mwana eguthie na hauja acemania na njoroge amuheni urenda kina amuhe ata engage into sexual activities atapata mimba ataza na tondu ndekuhota kwira mamu wao mam I'm pregnant no kuria kura mucie so unapata single mothers huku nje ni wengi na ni watoto that is young mothers watoto wanapata watoto reason being aciari ni matigire kuhingukana nacio na nikio turoya chances ici tugathie mathukuru-ini pia walimu mwana uyu we boarding school araniria na mwarimu tiga kuona mwarimu kare ithu yaku talk to her niko hivi fine muonge muciari we haria mucitiga kuonia mwana you are so strict mwana ucio ni ekura ataenda hapo nje kutafuta mahali anaweza associate na mtu older age na obvious athi na hauja ndiguthi kwa mamu wa mundu ungi aguthi ahenio ni mwanake waanze ku associate napata mtoto amepata mimba and such yeah
ndio kuna cases nyingi muno na hinda ya covid wauga wambiriirie ri wogire wambiriirie fishi
it's 1 year now yeah ihinda ya covid ta witu we had hard time ciana ni ciagia ciana tondu that's the moment mari mucika hinda kanene ona mwana wa kahini engage into bad things tondu socializing na muciari imekuwa ngumu and it's true ishagine socializing ya muciari taru andu magia ciana magatiga kwao koguo mwana atigwo na shosho wao mwana kahini akwata guthikwaria na shosho wao mwana kiritu ni guthikwaria kwaria na shosho wao so anaenda kutafuta comfort huko nje yeah that's why we are taking chance tugathie mathukuru ni mwana ucio umetwo kanyaga kwaria na muciari wake hau twi haha we talk to her
mukama kuhiriria uria mukamategera matu mental problem nikikira koroguri na ciana cieka maundu makumakania we kaigwa mwana ni yuraga mwana uri ungi maundu funny
first of all self esteem mtoto anakuwa niliachwa na okay ama mtoto anakuwa wazazi wangu waliachana anaona wengine wanasema mwana no mwana akona ari angi marari horo wa baba wao ugakora mwana ni anyitwo ni depression ni guikara taru the girl I'm having mwana ucio tiga ndamutharire ni angiegerire ngero cause kuria mucie mamu oni apasire kuria mucie hari aretha comfortability bethe ria ndathire kumugerera transfer the deputy aliniambia tuchukua mtoto mahali ya mtumekana huyo mtoto na uria ari oya tu mwana ucio thie nake na ndamuhoyo muhe thayo even ndio the deputy yeah ugo ni deputy ani requestire just go enda tu na yeye if it's her enda na yeye nimekupea ruhusa yeah
mathina maria
na arimu ni moi yeah
eru maundu maugia ndi mau mareko kaigwa ciana ni ireyuraga ri thino cirauma kuthine
depression na kwagithio thayo micie yeah ugakora mwana ni athi there is a case was in my village yeah I'll mention Kahaine kwari na mwana wa class 8 weitire reason being ni athire kifarua mwana wa class 8 ni athire kifarua athi kifarua ri ni arihirwo ni okanengera uria nengerire bia uria nengerire bia amwitia tondu rucio ni thukuru akagure kina amwena gutie mbeca ndina cio ciaku mwana acokire nyumba akiita kuzo mbere muciari ni aumire mwana kirie kwendaga then mwana uyo athie kifarwari agoka akamuhe bia njigira acoka mwitia I had it all about a geometrical set akimwira nengera mbeca riu ngagure mukebe ndire mbeca mwana ucio aririre acokire nyumba akiita class 8 so we are talking
na mari rungu tondu riri ni gukona ihinda ria kwaraniria tondu jigwa mundu angi akinya kuita ni hakona underline issues igakorwo giko giki kia giatuma kuroragwo giki kia mwisho kiratumire date no ngitua kuna the history gukorwo na
kwina uhoro muritu
yes
single mothers nĩ tũrahitia especially atũrahe ciana citũ nĩ tũrahitia yeah.
Na nĩkĩ waingĩrĩra single mothers ũguo nĩ marahitia?
I had a case in the same school ndarutire mwana Kandara nyina ndaiguire atũragĩthũra tulimpigia simu akasema hiyo ni wrong number so mwana ũcio rĩ nĩ ambia gũkorwo na ile ya I am not accepting myself mami witũ ndaranyenda nĩ athire gũkũ na kuo nginya mbeca cia kwenjwo ndingĩheo bethe mũthenya ũcio nginya mwana ũcio aheirwo mbeca cia kwenjwo nĩ colleague twarĩ nake hau ndingĩheo mwana ũcio nĩkĩ gĩkũgiria ite I'm stressed up. I feel like nimetosheka ndibatie gutura. Ukona mwana ucio ni oya kabeita. Imagine ukihorera muciari waku ukamwira mamu wangania asa ni wrong number.
No more narrow down to single mothers. Does it mean both parents ni kurera mararira wega kana ni thina tubatie to address kuma all?
I've first settled with the single mothers because of the situation I had.
Okay.
Still both parents exposure ya murahe ciana cianyu ni ukoraga aciari mundu ni ahikaga na mwana right ni wahika na mwana no mwambia kurua na muthuri atamukacuga ona mwana uyu ti wakwa mwana ucio guthie iguite atia ukora mwana ni agera ngero if self esteem yake ithi eguthie gere ngero tondu the moment aturite uyu niwe baba no ni mahitania na mamu wao ni afike at some point ni heita yeah so aciari othe uria turarera ciana exposure ya turahe ciana ndio inamatu mtoto atakaje depression cases ni mingi na inyo mutigagirwo ciana aciari ao makua uria muratiriti ciana icio niyo era determine yeah tari uri no ahike kundu still in laws ahetia ihetia ona toko ni thania goithia yagwa we ona kuria waumite gutarie mwana ucio kuinuka hana egwicokera ugia atia no muthukia na mwana no mwana mundu mugima ni ekwiyuria no mwana egurigwo kai kadahitirie guka thino yeah
koguo ukoragwo gitagetiru kuria kwina
I have a sister my own blood sister ni muini etagwo Sophie Kabe mwana ucio witu ni arerirwo na ihinda iritu muno after separation ya my father na my mother mwana ucio nginya ndakuyuraga and alikuwa ameattempt kujiua
ndirama kile ni affectaga ciana
separation will affect ithu twari ciana koguo we didn't understand sana so mwana ucio witu ni enda nginya kuyuraga agatwarwo thukuru batario na kiundu kiria
kumukira
munene gutukira ariona kiundu kiria apana ona thi thukuru ana attempt bado mad koguo na separation ya ciari negia ciana muno na ni ukoraga riu ucio ni mwana wa kaigetu I'm talking about mwana wa kahi akona riu nigetha nyone maundu maiganaine no nguciria bangi agucio muthi na rucio na mweri uthire ri mwana ucio akutuika yeah
the separation tesi gwifatie gwika atia tondu ugikoni tufatie to balance maundu atia nigetha mundu othe igwa ri comfortable ko separation irahanika we wonire taru your own experience niki kingia mufivire muri inyuothe riu tuge
I guess when you doing separation ni mukinyaga handu mukona riu haha no to separate and that is that no mu separate no ikaria iciana cia nyuthi mwana ndena mahitie inyu ni inyu muhitanirie mwana ndena mahitie namo ikaria ciana cia nyuthi mwere riu haha twakinya Muthoni na ng'ania ri o niguo he gutuika no menyane ni mamu wanyu no menyana ni baba wa in case you need me I'm there in case you want this I'm there ni ndirikanaga na baba itu ni akomethayo twathia gucerera mami tukiinuka tukuhurwo tuthire so ni arageria gutuiga away from our mother with that ni ukona mwana riu ni ararigwo ko ndibati kuona mami witu ri na ni ukurite ucio niwe mamu wanyu Dewe utagithi gwitoki mundu ungi baba ucio niwe mamu wanyu
ni gwicagura riu mwecagurire mukwenda wikara na baba wanyu kana hau hathiri atia ni igoti
wari watho
wari watho
wari twaikara na mami witu ri my father ndaenda gututhomithia so my mother had to take action nigetha tuthomithio nake akiuga if I'm going to take them to school I'm staying with them no nginya tungiathomire koguo no nginya tungiateire watho
no kona no iramu affect one way or another
sana ili to affect kabisa yeah
okay thank you ugi advocate ate maundu ta mari kuhindia kurahanika ndigano riu even lucky ni mwathomithirio I'm trying to imagine andu matigana na hatire bidi ni urawiri guthomithania riu ndio face yaroka ukona riu ria basics ni ziria rafatara ta sanitary towels ni wake muhe na ni raruta wira mwega
so ni ngenda kwariria ciari mkifika hiyo level ya separation ari ina ciana cianyu ciana ici citiari ho mukendana ni gukamukire ciana ici citirari ho mukihitania ni inywe mwikuria muroriri tiga igutesa mwana uyu tondu mwana uyu kuingirira bangi athuke mutwe mwene uyu kwambia kwendia ro bangi iyo oho o riria uguthomithia mwana uyu muthomithie na thieteithie away from your separation, cause no one knows no mu separate then after few years mushokanwo mwana mwendia wa bangi you'll start weniwe but at least thomithie mwana kwanza ikeni differences zenyu kando mwana niwe rucio rwitu yeah.
Asante tukirekereria ukugatia uhoro wigie fishi na orige kuria andu mangige gukora na ni rakiruta wira mwega thii na mbere na aria makigunĩkĩte ono nĩ njũĩ marĩ na ngatho mangĩgĩ gũcokeria koguo kanya nĩ gakuru tũkĩrĩkĩrĩria. So
all I would say mwiroreri wakwa now I invite kwa my first anniversary which will be on 30th of September thukuru wa Kagundu-inĩ on your way to Kenol handu hetagwo Kabati ũngĩgera njĩra ĩyo nĩ gũkora thukuru ũcio hau bara-inĩ ũngĩenda kũnginyĩra nilipeana number and I'll give it again 0796 400 219 0796 400 219 nĩyo namba yakwa ũngĩkorwo wĩna ũteithio ũngĩkorwo no wende gũka kwarĩria ciana citũ tondũ cina hard time ũngĩenda gũka kũmarĩria you will get me through that number yeah reke itonyitirire mwana wa kairitu no no ri ungehota kunyitirira mwana wa kahii o hari ari munyitirire still onoko thia Murang'a ndingikinya Murang'a county yothe hari ori nyitirira mwana wa muiritu hari ori wona mwana ndari na ciringi 50 cia kugura padi mugurire yeah
nima tuiguanire the yeah leo kugeithia Mugaka ari Roosters na muheshimiwa Ndung'u Lydia Msimu wa kaunti yake ya Boruga mitambo-inĩ ngugeithie muno Sami Disamis tarauga salimia wa guest ako poa sana looking great mnapendeza na show iko sawa what a great advice and wonderful to be here our children should end their studies safe glad for advising us what to do
ogwo no gwikiuga ni tunyitirire ciana citũ ngatho nyingĩ kuri aria othe maturite manyitirire kuma riria ndanjiriirie na aria maturite manyitirire nginya haha nginyete shout out Kennedy Kinothia Honorable Chege Njuguna Kandara MP ni thengiũ mũno ni munyitirire mũno na ndacokia ngatho na no tuguthii na mbere gukinyira ciana citũ kuria macinani
asante sana na ithuĩ twakena gukorwo ukiaraniria hamwe na ithuĩ githii na mbere na kuruta wĩra ũcio mwega. Asante sana. Citigarite ndagika 10 cihande thaa 4 cia rucini na unio tugwikirira gaturumo dereti rucini rwa mothe tukiariria horo wigi girl child na tukiuma na Feishi tago Faith Wajiko wira mwega muno makiria. Asante sana tukonana muthenya wa rucio ari Wednesday tidai thayo na mugirori mia gukumia. Asante sana hariria othe atafarire no tidai wega na Ngai amurathime ni njetago Muthoni wa Wambugu Nyarari. God bless you.